Good morning, good morning, good morning to you. Good morning, good morning, good morning to you. Our day is beginning. There's so much to do. Good morning, good morning, good morning to you. Say good morning, boys and girls.
Good morning.
Say today's gonna be a great day. Say I'm gonna wear my mask.
I'm gonna wear my mask.
I'm gonna social distance.
I'm gonna social distance.
I'm gonna wash my hands.
I'm gonna wash my hands.
I'm gonna be safe on the playground.
I'm gonna be safe on the playground.
I'm gonna learn a new letter
I'm gonna learn a new letter
and a new sound.
and a new sound.
And I'm about to learn how to read.
I'm about to learn how to read.
So have a great day, everybody. Love you. Mwah.